Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I am back at Anfield doing a update on the Anfield Road expansion. A lot of work going on. I can hear a lot of noise going on, so I'll get round, have a look, and then I'll get to some comments. But there's a lot of work going on this corner here. There was a cherry picker there when I was driving up. So let's get round this side of it. Do a little zoom in to see what's going on there. The cherry picker doesn't seem to be there now. No, it's gone. Yeah, so there's a little look there of what's going on, and I'll get some comments in a minute. So on my last video, because I was waffling too much, I didn't get round to showing people the span over on this side. So I'll get over there now and get that done first, because a lot of people mentioned it. It's just that the battery was dying, so you can see it down there. So there's work going on there. It looks like a front span, or is it a back span? I don't know. But there's more front spans to go on, so maybe it's part of that. And if you remember, there's people working on their front spans, connecting them all up, and as you can see, it's all completed now. So let's get over and have a look at them. See, they're all connected now down there. Oh, yeah, there's people working on top as well, so I'll keep out the way, keep my height getting a little bit higher. There you go, so you can see them working on there. Probably shoring things up on there. Oh, let's back up and have a view from this side. There's still nothing at all going on from the inside, but loads going on top. Right, so I'll get some comments anyway. As regards to my last video, I mentioned that someone attempting to troll me, you know, and I've had a lot of support saying don't let it bother you. It doesn't bother me. It's, you know, that was one comment out of hundreds and hundreds, you know, so I'll go with the majority, not the minority. I just think it's funny to mention it, to be honest. So yeah. And when I said about someone said that another drone user was better than me, that was just tongue in cheek on my part. I talked to most of them. Talked to Mr. Jones, talked to Paul Frost. City sites were constantly having throwing messages about to each other, throwing ideas around. Who else? Greybeard Droning is another one who messages me on my videos and messaged back, and yeah, talked to. I haven't actually met him, but I've met Mr. met Paul Frost, met a couple of others, and then there's a WhatsApp group that we're all in as well, that, you know, the ones who do the Everton builds and don't do the Liverpool builds, they're in there, the likes of Luke, Barry 1878, yeah, so it was tongue-in-cheek. Is it all if there's something of interest, we all let each other know what's going on. So yeah, that was just a bit of tongue-in-cheek. So anyway, talking about the Liverpool's potential buyers or investors, or however people want to look at it. Let's get another look around here. People have mentioned that the Qataris or the Saudis or whatever they are, so I'm not really that interested and don't follow it that much, so get down and have a look in here. Yeah, they already invest heavily in the UK. You know, people that are saying that they don't want blood money and stuff like that. They already invest heavily in the UK. Someone's mentioned that there's £40 billion worth of Saudi and Qatari money banded around the UK in various different projects, especially in London. There's a lot of it in London, and it's not just football. So, be interested to hear people's views on that. Yeah, you know what? When I mentioned about the cranes, because I haven't got a clue what the calls. I know nothing about construction, which I'm really self-confessed about. So, if I see a crane and it looks a bit different, I'll call it by a name that is fitting to how it looks, and just bring a little bit of humour to the channel, and people, yeah, took that as humour, so I'm happy about that. I didn't get any analysts to tell me what the technical names were for the cranes. Oh, that's another one. Yeah, someone said about well, let me get right up and right over then. Get about the crane first. So that crane looks like it's getting higher. I feel like I'm having to get a lot higher than normal. So someone said that the seats in the main stand, it looks though they were getting sorted, i.e. blowtorched. Sorry if it's jerky, guys, but I like to try and get round as fast as I can. No, it doesn't look as though it has been, does it? They still look faded, especially that section, is it 1, 2, 3 in from the left. That's how it looked the most faded. Yeah, I don't think anything has gone on there. While I'm over this side, I may as well have a scout over. So loads more ironwork being delivered anyway. Steelwork. I keep saying ironwork. Steelwork. People keep correcting me. And the brickwork pillars are on the Anfield roads at the Kenny Dalglish side, and I cannot see them. I'm gonna hang the drone there a second. I'm gonna zoom in post-processing and hopefully be able to see something, but on my phone I can't see a thing. Okay. Yeah. There's not a lot going on there that I can see. But there's obviously loads of work going on inside and on the roof. Anything else that people want to see, let me know, because I try and condense this into as little time as possible, so it may seem a little rushed. I'm gonna hang it at the back, and I'm gonna zoom into a few sections just to see if there's anything of interest to zoom into. So a little break in the video to show you this corner section. So just past new up here. That wasn't dead last time I was here. As you see, it's being held in place by a crane, so that's only recently been lifted up there. Get a closer look at the corner, the different levels that it's got. 1, 2, 3 different levels. Yeah, 3 different levels. And I'll have a little move along and see if there's anything of interest before I leave. Little look at the scale of it. It's massive. Not as big as the main stand, but it's not far off. So all this here is being painted white, as you can see. Why? Anyone know? Is it rust proofing? Because it's only the steel that's painted in it. Yeah, it's only the steel that's painted. So. Is it powder coated? You know, that's what it probably is, isn't it? Probably powder coated. And something I haven't noticed on the drone is that they're building up this corner as well. Oh, you can see, trying to reach as high as I can over the fence. Yeah, it's starting on the corner there. But, I'll get round the side now and have a better look at it. But this wasn't here last time either, so yeah. It's time to build this corner up now. Interesting. And here's that span being constructed. There's a wagon backing in with some with something. I don't know what it is. With the banksman guiding them in. Yeah, there's that corner there being built up. Constructed anyway. That bottom piece there is being held in place by a crane. Okay. I don't think there's much more here to see, so let's get back to the drone footage. Yeah, so just little look around on all the sections there just to see if there's anything of interest. Yeah, I had I don't know, about 150 comments on my last video, and you know what, they were all just nice comments, and I want to thank everyone for all the comments that you sent me. I wasn't looking for sympathy, by the way. It's just I just thought it'd be funny to share that one comment, because it was a bit, I don't know, as I didn't quite understand it. I was hoping that they'd reply and let me know what they meant by it, but no, I haven't had a reply, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, yeah, if people want to know anything, and again, as said last month, you can go off topic and I'll bring it back to football, well, back to the building, you know what I mean, or football in general. But if there's something that you want to know, drop it in the comments. I'm quite knowledgeable about you know, the whole of Liverpool in general, so just let me know. So I'm gonna yeah, that crane's definitely got taller. So I'm gonna get a little bit higher. I'm above the crane because I can see the top of it with the drone, so I'm gonna have a little scan across the back of it, and then call it a day from there. Try keeping the drone out the sun as much as I can as well, because it's a very low sun. There's quite a bit of stuff down there. You can see the sections that it's going to be part of that span. Is it going to be a... It looks too long to be a front span though, doesn't it? Anyone know? Let me know. I really don't know what that is. I can see it from the ground here, so I might throw a little bit of footage on of that, because they are quite big, even though I always say the drone doesn't show scale. Let's a little look around the city. Let's go this way for the change. There's Goodison. You don't realise how green Liverpool is until you get in here. A lot of green space that you don't really think there would be. There's that low sun I'm on about. City centre. There's Bramley Moor in the distance there. And there we are, we're back around again. So yeah, so let's get back on the ground, and I'll leave it there, guys, and I'll speak to you all soon, okay? Again, any comments, anything you want to know, anything I've missed, please let me know. Speak to you soon.